Minchia, quella è bella mia. Una.
Allá, aquí, ahí. Aquí. Mira.
Minchia, giralotta. Adesso è troppo picchino, eh?
Sí, estos ya los podemos comer, pero están en la familia, estamos solos.
E poi dove
No
sta
los podemos
l'altro?
cortar así.
L'altro dove? Ci sta una massa qui?
Mira.
Minchia. This one is the most National Geographic day of my life. Discovery Channel, I mean. Oh, finally, adesso me find the peyote, a really small one, really super baby, Nino. But now I start to recognize. I learned it. Yeah, I feel really proud of me. Esto es bueno. Questo è piccino. Dove cazzo? Small, but I found it. Minchia, tutti piccoli, eh? Mira chi. Big enough? Okay, you find it. Che piccino, piccino. Yes. Esto aquí. I find more, but they are too much small. Maybe good for make a tea, but not good for eating. Yes, just under my ass. Tell me if it's mine. Eh? It's not that big. It's not a gigante, but it's bigger than the family. I think that I just find my first peyote. Not sure if it's big enough, but I think so. Minchia, guarda che deve essere imboscato. You think it's big enough? Shit. It's big enough, yeah? So you sure?
Sí.
So I can take it? Or I should find more before?
You can take it.
Yeah, but after
But
that...
first you can offer something to you.
How? What do I have to offer?
Whatever you...
Where? I put it here, I leave it here?
Mm-hmm.
You should tell me before. Welcome to DocumentARI. Yes, DocumentARI of DJARI. I just found my first peyote. And I'm happy. This is for later.
We need to cut them right here, right now. I will show you.
Wait. We have two. Let's find. We have three. Let's find a fourth. India. You know, this is small. This is small. 2, 3. Strange feeling. I mean, it's 15 years. No, more. It's 20 years that 19 years exactly that I want to try peyote, and now that I find it, I feel emotional. So the first you find it on the week. Here there is one more.
Yes.
It's good.
To put some tea at the night. Oh yeah, man.
Oh, sharp stone. Okay. One more. Esto, chiquito, oh, es bueno.
This is one. Look, another venado.
Another?
Another.
This is bueno, otro
Yes,
chiquito. Bueno?
The bigger, the biggest one.
bueno.
No, not the small. Hey.
Sorry, I'm excited. Sorry. Baby, here there is a mega family. Baby. Aquí.
Yes, I saw him. Yes.
Here there is pequeño. I want to find a big one, before to take the small one.
You can see this end is removed.
What?
So
What? Here family.
another person came here first
Yes.
and take it.
Yes.
The whole family. It's I can see. Look. And left the
small one.
smallest,
Okay.
the childhood.
Here there is more. 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 Minchia, after that you find the first you see everywhere. It's true. There are more. Madonna mia. Che cazzo c'è? Che sta to have become a peyote hunter so quickly. Cazzo.
It's beautiful, man.
Sì, no, after you understand the trick is easy. Wow.
Look.
Sì, I see.
Look the form.
This one is nice.
Yes, this is nice.
This is nice.
Lo vamos a tomar aquí.
E questo è questo.
También.
Questo. Ok, I think that we have enough medium size.
Sí, yo creo que eso. Don't put card.
Why not?
Ari.
Why not?
No.
Why not card? Why not card? What's wrong?
Pure, Ari.
I didn't cut, I didn't make anything. I just put it here to find it again easily.